What if the story of humanity didn't collapse with Cain? What if, in the middle of violence and corruption, something quiet began? Because while one line was getting darker, another one was just beginning. Abel is gone. Cain is gone. One dead, one wandering. And Adam and Eve are left with silence. Loss like this doesn't just disappear. It lingers. It reshapes everything. And for a moment, it feels like the future has been cut off. And Adam knew his wife again. And she bore a son. His name was Seth. A name that carries meaning. Appointed. Given. Placed. Not random. Not accidental. Almost as if this was a replacement. A continuation. A line that would not end. This is not just another birth. This is a shift. Because until now, the story has been shaped by loss, violence, and distance. But here, something changes direction. Quietly, without announcement, a new path begins. Two lines now exist. One from Cain, building, expanding, but drifting further. And one from Seth, just beginning. This is the moment. Humanity divides. Not by land, not by power, but by direction. And what follows will shape everything. And to Seth also a son was born. His name was Enosh. And then something happens that hasn't been seen since Eden. Then men began to call upon the name of the Lord. Pause there. This is the first sign of return. To call is not just to speak. It's to reach, to acknowledge, to recognize something beyond yourself. After distance, after wandering, after building without peace, humanity begins to turn again. Not perfectly, not completely, but intentionally. Nothing dramatic happens here. No fire, no voice from heaven, no miracle. Just people choosing to call. And that's what makes this moment powerful. Because the biggest changes don't always begin loudly. Sometimes they begin quietly. Seth's line doesn't rise through power. It rises through posture. A different way of living. A different focus. Because what one generation begins, another continues. And over time, it becomes a path. Now there are two movements. One builds outward. The other reaches upward. One expands civilization. The other restores connection. Both exist at the same time. In the same world. But they are not the same. And they are moving in very different directions. And this is where the story meets us. Because the same choice exists today. You can build. You can grow. You can move forward. And still feel distant. Or you can begin to turn. To call. To acknowledge something beyond yourself. The question is not what you're doing. The question is, which direction you're moving. A new line has begun. A different direction has been set. But it won't stay pure for long. Because as humanity grows, so does something else. Something darker. Something that will soon reach a point no one expects. So tell me, do you think change begins with actions? Or with direction? Because what comes next will reshape the entire world.